Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Hey y'all, I got that from Siki Beauty. I love watching her. But welcome back. It's your girl A.MaRee, and today we're in drawer number 5. So this one is not gonna seem to be a long video because a lot of these pressed powders, I have a lot more, but it's in drawer number 6 and they all just couldn't fit in drawer number 5. So we're gonna continue on with each drawer, and we're gonna do this drawer, and then we're gonna move on to 6 in the next video. So if you like declutter videos, and if you haven't caught up, I need you to go watch part 1 through 4 and catch up to 5, because we're going through every single drawer, no matter how long it takes. So get you a snack or a drink and let's go. So I forgot to tell you in the intro that there's 3, maybe possibly 4 piles. We have the Shop My Stash pile / project pan. We have the throwaway pile. We have the keep pile. Then if there is anything in this drawer that I feel like I could Poshmark, then go over to my Poshmark and follow me there, because some of these products, if not these products, there are many products on my Poshmark right now that you guys can pick up if you like. Okay. I can't do the Cardi B. Okay. There you go. It takes me a couple of times. Alright, so let's jump right into this, you guys. There's some powders that I just feel like need to be thrown away, that I just don't rock with. I don't rock with them at all. So we're going to go through them. We're going to start off with the back. And one of the products that I just can't get with is my Kat Von D Lock-It powder. This one is in Deep 72. You guys, I love how full coverage this is, and I've been using this for some time now, but you guys, it is just too damn orange for me. Too damn orange. Like, on camera it's pulling red, but it's really too orange. And let me show you guys how orange it is on my skin. That is really orange. I don't know if you guys could see it on camera, but in person it is just too damn orange. So because I had this for a while, I am going to go ahead and throw it away. I don't even think anybody would want to purchase it because it's 12 months. And I had it longer than 12 months because I kept trying to make it work, but it just won't work for my skin. Moving on, we have the Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder. This one is in Ebony. You guys, I love this to contour. I have multiple of this. I love it. It's deep and rich enough for a contour, but you can't go heavy with it. You see how dark that is? You cannot go heavy with it. So I'm going to keep it and keep loving on it. But this one I found at the beauty supply store. Go pick you up one if you're my skin tone or a little bit deeper. It'll work just fine for a contour. And if you are a chocolate baby, which I love my beautiful chocolate girls, use this as an all over pressed powder and boom, it's flawless. One product that I know I'm going to keep is my collab Set the Stage loose setting powder in almond caramel. You guys, oh, this stuff is so freaking good, and it's such a beautiful shade. I love this stuff. Now, Juicy J here on YouTube has always raved about the collab translucent powder in the shade translucent. I've been looking for that and I can't find it at the Sally Beauty Supply, but I am on the hunt for that. I love this one, and I just want to try out the translucent and see if it's the same as this one, and hopefully I can find it somewhere, but I'm keeping this. A product that I know I'm going to throw away is the CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder, and this one is in translucent medium. You guys, first of all, this stuff is hella messy and it does not set good. It gives flashback like nobody's business. But you guys, this is just not a good powder to use, so I'm gonna throw this one out. Moving on to my Maybelline Dream Wonder powder. I found this at Target on clearance because it was shattered. This one is in coconut. For some reason, you guys, I thought I could use this on my face or use it as an under eye setting powder because so many people use pressed powders for a setting powder, and this coconut is just way too light. I don't know what happened, but it is just too much for me. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this one out as well. Moving on to my Kiss Professionals Pro Touch Setting Powder. This one is in banana, I believe. Yes, in banana. I have a love-hate relationship with this. Some days I like it, some days I don't. It is a brighter banana than what I am used to. It's brighter than the Sacha Buttercups. Like, that's how bright it is. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to shop my stash it so that I know to pull for this first and test it out some more and see if I like it or not. Okay, I'm back. Y'all probably are going to see my puppy in the frame. What is it, Prince? Okay, so moving on. A product that I know I do not want no more is the Revlon Color Stay Aqua Mineral Makeup. This is in the shade Medium Deep. Y'all, this shit feels so wet on your skin. I guess it's like a cream to powder type of product. I don't know, but this I do not like. I tried it many times. It just feels wet on your skin at all times, and I don't like that. So I am going to go ahead and throw this out. Alright, my next one is my Makeup Forever Professional Duo Matte, and this one is in 216, I guess is the shade. I'm not for sure. Platinum D here on YouTube introduced me to this, and she loved it and ramped and raved about it, but you guys, it's a little too bright for me, and I don't know what to do with it. So I think I'm going to shop my stash this and give it some more love to see if I really do like it or not. But I feel like it's too bright for me. So yeah, I think I'm going to shop my stash it and see what it's like. Okay, here's another Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder in Ebony. You guys know I'm keeping it. So I am going to keep this one too. I guess I'll just keep this as a backup. I don't know why I opened it and been using both of them, but it is what it is. Moving on to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in Mahogany. You guys, I would never get rid of this. As you can tell, I hit pan on it. I love this. This reminds me of my CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. And you guys, I love this stuff. I will constantly repurchase this as long as Anastasia keeps this in stock. I love this. It is so perfect for melanin girls. Moving on to my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. Once again, love this. This is one of my MAC products that I do absolutely like. So I am going to keep Dark Deep and Dark. This one is dark. I'm going to keep this one as well. I love to use these all over the face depending on how I feel. I could pack it on or I could just brush it on and it works just fine. Moving on to my NYX Set It Don't Fret It Matte Finishing Powder. You guys, this one is in medium to dark. I have a love-hate relationship with this one too. It looks like this, and I have, I thought I had another one. I can't remember. Maybe it's in the drawer underneath me. But I'm going to put this in my Shop My Stash just to see. I think it gives flashback or something. It's something about this that I don't know if I like or not. But yeah, I'm going to Shop My Stash it just in case so I can see if I still love it or not. My Kokie Professional Setting Powder. This one is in translucent. I love this stuff. If you guys haven't heard me talk about Kokie on my channel, I don't know where you've been, because I love Kokie Professionals. This one here is very finely milled and it doesn't give that horrible flashback. even though I just put a whole lot on. But it blurs out the skin so good, and I love it to death, so I'm gonna keep it. Moving on to my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder foundation, and this one is in Deep Golden. I think this one is a little too light for me too, you guys. I'm not for sure, but I think so. And I think this one is a dupe for the Kat Von D Locket, but I think this one is exactly the same of the Kat Von D. I think it's too orange for my skin tone. Look at that. Yep, I think it's, stop it. I think it's too orange for my skin tone. So I'm going to have to let this one go too, even though I really want to get a full wear test out of it and really like it because so many people talk about it. But I'm going to have to get rid of it. And I don't know, you guys be the judge in the comments and let me know if you guys would like to see me put this on Poshmark. So the next thing is my Milani translucent powder, and this one is in medium to deep. You guys, I think I don't like this one either. I think I don't. Y'all, if my camera is shaking, it's because my puppy is attacking my tripod. This one here, I think I don't like it. I'm not for sure, but I think I don't like it. I don't know. I'm going to have to use it on Shop My Stash and see. And I think I have another one, but I think it's in the banana shade. I don't know where it is at the moment, but I think I have another one, and I'm gonna try it. I don't know. I'm gonna put this in the Shop My Stash just to see. Moving on to my LA Colors Mineral Press Powder. This one is in Soft Honey. You guys can see it. I thought I would be able to use this as well for my under eye setting powder because I see so many people using it. But I just haven't found my correct shade, so I'm going to have to let this one go because this one comes off stark white for me. Moving on to the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. It's Better Not Bitter, and this one is in yellow. You guys, I hate this. I hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. So you guys be the judge. Let me know if y'all want this. I'll put it on Poshmark. If not, it's going in the trash. I hate it. Or I'll see if my twin sister wants to try it out. I'll send it to her and see if she wants to try it. But I hate this. I hate it. Alright, another LA Color Press Powder. This one is in Toffee. Now, I want to Shop My Stash this one. Oh, I haven't even opened it. I want to Shop My Stash this one and use it as an all-over face powder and see if it's a perfect match for me. So that's what I'm going to do with this one. My AOA setting powder in Banana. Yes, I like this. I haven't gave it too much love, but I'm gonna keep it so that I can show it some more love. But this one looks like it's gonna be too yellow. It's not even a banana shade. It's more yellow than anything. So I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna give it some more love, and it gets everywhere. It gets everywhere. But I'm going to keep it. I'm going to hold on to it and see if I like it. I don't know. Alright, my A.MaRee Smart Shade 300 Medium. I'm going to get rid of this. I tried it. It doesn't work for me. I haven't even opened this one. I have one that's opened already. I thought this was the one. Maybe it's in the drawer lower than it. So I'll just hold on to this one and throw this one on Poshmark. And I'll talk about the other one when I find the other one. Because as you can tell, this one never been open. So I'm going to Poshmark this one. Alright, and then my last one is going to be my e.l.f. finishing powder. And this one is in medium to dark. You guys, I thought I hit the jackpot when I found this. But look at this. Why is it so cool toned? It is so cool toned that I would probably most likely turn gray from using this. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to chunk it. I can't use this, and I really wanted to try it out and love it because so many people rave about it, but I can't walk around with that. That is too gray for my skin tone. So it has to go. Woo, woo. You guys, look at there. Completely cleaned out drawer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the products back. Shop My Stash is going to go over here. Products I Love is going to go over here. And we'll be done. Boom, pow. There we have it. Products that I know I love, Shop My Stash. And I use my Shop My Stash / project pen to put it in a certain section that I know to grab for this stuff first before I grab for this stuff in all my Shop My Stash monthly, you know, makeup drawer. So here we have it. We're left with 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 products that we know we like. And we're going to test out 5 products to see if we still love. And we're getting rid of, we have a NYX, a A.MaRee, Beauty Bakery, Maybelline, CoverGirl, Kat Von D, Revlon, e.l.f., and LA Colors. So we're getting rid of 9 products and we only kept 8. That is really good. You guys be the judge on these 3 products to let me know if I should put them on my Poshmark, Beauty Bakery, NYX, and A.MaRee. If majority of you say yes, I will put it on my Poshmark, sell it for dirt cheap, let y'all have it, y'all enjoy it. But the other 6 products we're going to throw in the trash. So as I told you that this drawer may go fast, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss the rest of the Declutter series. And share this video with your friends if they enjoy decluttering as much as I do. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in drawer number 6. Deuces.